Good day guys, and welcome to my second YouTube video. Having watched back the first video, I realized that I say quite often, so I'm going to try to say that less in this one. Guys, something I thought I should show you, something that I don't hear, there goes the again, something that I don't see or hear people talking much about of this models, the H6. In particularly, this is the HEV, but I believe it would be the same for all of the H6 versions and possibly the Jolyon. I'm not sure guys, I do not have a Jolyon. This is my personal car, and I've rolled over to 21,000 k's yesterday. I had it since new, so I have driven this car. I know it quite well by now. So something that I've picked up on it that I don't see a lot of people or any people asking or speaking about, the functionality to auto close your windows. Now guys, I've had vehicles being able to do this in the past, and I've had vehicles that can only do it on the front windows. So this vehicle can auto close windows both front and in the back, as well as the sunroof. It cannot auto open them. Unfortunately, I've had a vehicle that was able to open them as well from the key. I'm going to go ahead and open them, and then I'll show you what I'm on about. Okay guys, as you can see, the windows are now open, as well as the sunroof. The sunroof is open. I'm going to keep the tripod like this so that I can show you. Yeah, I have a cover on my key. The keys does not look like this. I have a cover on it in order to protect the key from a drop. Okay, if you press and hold the lock button, I'll say, then you can leave the button, and that's it. The same goes for on the key, but on the door, but I want to show you that also. Let me just open the windows again. Okay guys, the windows are open again. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what happens if you press the lock button on the door. As you can see, the doors are open. Press and hold. There you go. And that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos and you like similar type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll really appreciate your subscriptions. And thanks guys, have a wonderful day.